Hi guys, so I'm at Baker Creek. Right now at their restaurant. We're trying to get something to eat, and oh my gosh, this is such, for me, an awesome experience, better than going to the mall or anything like that. But I'll show you guys around because we're gonna tour their farm, seed shop, and maybe their nursery if we can get in. I was told that you have to get someone to tour you, and then we want to go and check the flour mill to get some of the cinnamon rolls. So show you guys around. So we got lunch. So parmesan, eggplant, salad, and squash soup.
He's our coon patrol. When we have sweet corn, he gets our coon. He's real friendly.
Aww.
Jordan's like,
Spring we'll plant gourds and then they'll
Oh.
go up over and then they'll get like 6, 7, 8 feet long.
wow.
So you can eat them when they're tender. They're pretty good. So if you multiply that by 2, if you multiply 2 shifts, we have basically logistics. He's got close to 2,000 different varieties of everything. So you need a lot of space and it takes a lot of organization. Yeah.
Wow. Cosmo.
There's one family from Texas and another family
As you know, they'll get real big.
Oh my gosh. Even Joe is
There's 3,000 we seeded yesterday. Buttered grilled corn.
buttered grilled
It's
corn.
been grilled corn. It's got a little, not
Salted.
burnt, but a little burnt corn flavor to it.
This I think is morning glory.
Here's another couple of hundred eggplants. Yep, peach trees, the same red leaf one here. The guy down the road called himself, said he had his
Chinese cabbage.
Another kind of cell, this is the cabbage trial.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Benny Hussey. You kind of like it. There's a couple that are, I mean,
This is adorable.
yeah, I've been here almost a year and I keep finding, oh, this is my new favorite bok
That's
choy,
your
or this is
yeah.
my new, yeah.
This is your new favorite.
There's onion trials.
Okay.
There's a different type of onion.
Is this the type of guava right here?
It's a guava.
Jordan, no. Jordan.
Steaks on the other side will tell you
Yeah.
why.
But I didn't.
But yeah, those are different onions.
Stuff.
Same kind of thing, onions.
Scarlet
Cut the
tail.
tops for the restaurant. You can see where they've been mowed down.
This is where I graze. I love this.
This is kale, right?
This is scarlet kale here.
Swiss chard on the other side. Got grapes growing up against
What next? Is this one?
muscadine grapes on this side. And
Anyway, the center ones are the most tender, you know.
I'm guessing that's your favorite.
It's good, yeah.
Jordan, do you want to eat one?
It's there.
Oh, there's two.
diatomaceous earth.
Oh, yeah.
The shore flies that they make great.
Oh, right. So these are the new poppies at Baker Creek. Gonna definitely grab me some seeds.
Pick, and so they'll just come along and start grabbing and put on the conveyor belt, and the flippers will flip it into whatever
How
slot
cool.
it's supposed to go.
Here at the seed store. There we have our tour guide. Hi. Sharing photos from this trip. Here is the restaurant. They had tomato plants and pepper plants in the restaurant. It was a really nice experience. We then toured the warehouse, the seed warehouse, and the store, and also the nursery. The nursery was quite fascinating. We saw lots of plants in different stages. That's the poppy, purple, I think that's lettuce, but these things we like the bok choy my husband was going crazy over, and the ginormous cabbage. You will see a picture soon where he put his hand size it. Dave was amazing. He gave us an amazing tour, was very interactive even with my little one. He kept him attentive. The staff overall is really amazing. It was such a great experience to see, an overwhelming experience to see so much seeds and different stages. The store was really nice. I literally went crazy. I'm sure most of you would too. And we did sample stuff from their bakery. I love this place and definitely recommend you to visit. We definitely will revisit. The staff even shared some of their produce with us that we took home and prepared a meal. Thanks so much guys for watching. Until my next video. Bye.